In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make questions mandatory in Google Forms. This is a simple yet powerful feature that ensures you gather all the necessary information from your respondents. Whether you're creating a survey, a feedback form, or a quiz, making certain questions required helps in collecting complete responses. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by searching Google Forms on your preferred search engine or by typing forms.google.com directly into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to open an existing form or create a new one. To create a new form, simply click on the plus button or select one of the templates. If you're using an existing form, find it in your list and open it. Now that your form is open, you'll see the list of questions you've already added or the option to add new ones. Click on the question you'd like to make required. This will highlight the question, and options specific to that question will appear. Look for a small toggle switch next to the word Required at the bottom right corner of the question field. When you click on it, the switch will turn blue, indicating that the question is now mandatory. Repeat these steps for any additional questions you want to require responses for. It's a good habit to review your entire form and decide which questions are crucial to be answered for your specific purpose. Making questions required means your respondents will not be able to submit the form without answering them, which helps in avoiding incomplete or partially filled responses. As you continue preparing your form, it's important to periodically preview it to understand how it will look to the participants. To preview your form, click on the eye icon at the top of the page. This will allow you to check whether the required questions are accurately indicated with a red asterisk, and you can also test whether leaving required fields blank prevents submission. Once you're satisfied with your form setup, you can share it with others. Use the Send button at the top right corner to distribute your form via email or link. You also have the option to embed it on a website or share directly on social media platforms. Remember, making questions mandatory improves the quality of the responses you receive and ensures you have all the pieces of information you need. While it's tempting to make every question required, consider the user's experience and balance between necessary data and user preferences. That way, you make the form both valuable for you and respectful of your respondents' time. I hope this walkthrough is helpful and that you feel confident in ensuring your forms are as functional and informative as possible. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this guide useful.